Hello everyone, this is the audio recording for visually impaired students and the chapter name is Organometallic Compound. Introduction. An organometallic compound is a compound which contains at least one carbon metal bond in its molecule. The metal present in these compounds are generally reactive metals such as lithium, sodium, magnesium, zinc and lead. The organic part consists of alkyl, alkyl or aryl group. The carbon metal bond is essentially a polar covalent bond as shown below. The extent of polar or ionic character of the bond depend upon the electropositive nature of the metal. More electropositive the metal, the more ionic the carbon metal bond. Thus, the ionic character of carbon metal bond is in the order carbon potassium is stronger than carbon sodium, stronger than carbon lithium, stronger than carbon magnesium, stronger than carbon aluminium, stronger than carbon zinc, and stronger than carbon cadmium. The reactivity of organometallic compound in turn depend upon the ionic character of the carbon metal bond. More the ionic character of bond, more reactive the organometallic compound. Naming of organometallic compound. Organometallic compound are named by adding the name of metal to that of the organic group. For example, methyl lithium, phenyl lithium, diethyl cadmium. Organomagnesium halide are named as alkyl or aryl magnesium halide. For example, methyl magnesium iodide, phenyl magnesium bromide. In this chapter, we shall discuss the chemistry of organomagnesium, organolithium, and organozinc compound. Organomagnesium compound, the Grignard reagent. Organomagnesium halide, popularly known as Grignard reagent, are the most important of all organometallic compounds. They were discovered by Victor Grignard, who received the Nobel Prize in 1912 for this discovery. The general formula of Grignard reagent can be represented as RMGX, where R is alkyl, alkenyl, alkyne, alkyl, or aryl group, and X is chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Organomagnesium fluoride are practically unknown. Preparation of Grignard reagent. A Grignard reagent can be prepared in the laboratory by the action of alkyl or aryl halide on magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. RMGX plus Mg in presence of dry ether gives RMGX. For example, ethyl bromide plus Mg in presence of dry ether gives ethyl magnesium bromide C2H5MgBr. In place of ether, other solvents such as tetrahydrofuran, triethylamine, dioxane, dimethoxyethane, or dimethyl ether of ethylene glycol have also been used. In fact, THF is considered to be the best solvent as it increases the reactivity of alkyl or aryl halide toward magnesium. Grignard reagent of aryl and alkyl halide, which are less reactive, are usually prepared in THF. Procedure. The alkyl or aryl halide is taken in a dropping funnel fitted to the mouth of the flask containing magnesium, turning covered by a layer of dry ether or THF. The halide is then added slowly to the flask with simultaneous shaking of the flask. A vigorous reaction takes place and magnesium metal gradually disappears, forming a cloudy solution. This solution constitutes Grignard reagent, which is used as such for various reactions. If in a particular case formation of Grignard reagent does not take place easily, addition of 1 or 2 drops of methyl iodide help in initiating the reaction. This is called entrainment technique. In general, for a given alkyl or aryl group, the ease of formation of Grignard reagent is in the order Ri greater than Rbr greater than Rcl. On the other hand, for a given halogen, the ease of formation usually decreases with the increase in the number of carbon atom in the alkyl group. Important precaution. The following precaution must be observed during the preparation of Grignard reagent. Number 1. The apparatus used must be dry and moisture proof. All the reactant used in the preparation, that is alkyl or aryl halide, ether and magnesium, must be absolutely dry and pure. Ether used as a solvent must be completely free from alcohol. It is also desirable to maintain an atmosphere of nitrogen free from oxygen and carbon dioxide during the preparation. These precautions are necessary because Grignard reagents are highly sensitive to moisture and also react with oxygen and carbon dioxide. The ethereal solution of Grignard reagent obtained above is generally used as such for different reactions. Mechanism. The mechanism of formation of Grignard reagent is still not known with certainty. However, it has been suggested by Gomberg and Beckman that the reaction starts with the formation of a small amount of magnesium halide and then proceed by a free radical mechanism, that is Rx plus Mg gives R free radical R plus MgX2. MgX2 plus Mg gives 2 MgX radical. Rx plus MgX radical gives R radical plus MgX2 and R radical plus MgX radical gives RMgX. Structure of Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent are usually represented as RMgX. It is believed that the carbon magnesium bond is covalent but highly polar, while magnesium halogen bond is essentially ionic. But this representation does not stand for the actual molecule. It has been shown that during the preparation of Grignard reagent, ether does not merely provide a medium for the reaction. On the other hand, it helps in the dissolution of magnesium by solvation. Accordingly, it has been suggested that ether get incorporated as a part of the molecule. This ether may be termed as ether of crystallization. Various formula involving ether have been proposed, of which of the two most probable are as follows. Structure 1 show Grignard reagent in the monomeric form having coordination with two molecules of ether used in solvation. Structure 2 represent Grignard reagent as a 1:1 complex of dialkyl or diaryl magnesium and magnesium halide. There is a coordination between the two halogen of magnesium halide and the magnesium atom of dialkyl or diaryl magnesium. At the same time, two molecules of ether coordinate with the magnesium of magnesium halide. It has also been suggested that the following equilibria are possible for Grignard reagent in ether. It may be pointed out, however, that while writing the reaction of Grignard reagent, their general formula is still represented as RMgX for the sake of convenience. Physical properties of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents are non-volatile, colorless solid. Due to their explosive nature, they are seldom isolated in free state but are used in the solution form in the solvent in which they are prepared. Chemical properties, synthetic applications. The carbon-magnesium bond in Grignard reagent is about 35% ionic. Therefore, Grignard reagent can be written as R delta negative, MgX delta positive. The negatively polarized alkyl group can act as carbanion or as nucleophile. It would attack other molecule at site of low electron density. Therefore, the main reaction of Grignard reagent are nucleophilic reaction, nucleophilic substitution and addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition followed by hydrolysis of the very large number of synthetically important reaction with the Grignard reagent undergoes some reactions. Reaction with compound containing active hydrogen. Formation of hydrocarbon. An active hydrogen means a hydrogen which is more acidic than the hydrogen in alkane. The compound containing active hydrogen such as water, alcohol, carboxylic acid, amine and terminal alkyne react with Grignard reagent to form hydrocarbon. RMgX plus HA compound having active hydrogen give RH plus MgAX. Some reaction involving the formation of alkane are given below. C2H5 MgBr plus H2O gives C2H6 plus MgOHBr. C2H5 MgBr plus C2H5OH gives C2H6 plus C2H5O MgBr. The above reaction of Grignard reagent with compound containing active hydrogen result in the formation of hydrocarbon in quantitative yield. This forms the basis of Zary-Vitnoff method of estimation of active hydrogen. Alkynyl magnesium halide such as CH3 single bond C triple bond C MgI form in the last reaction can be further used for preparation of higher alkynes by reaction with alkyl halide. For example, CH3 single bond C triple bond C MgI plus C2H5 gives 2-pentyne plus MgI2. Aryl magnesium halide also undergoes similar reaction to form aromatic hydrocarbon. For example, other nucleophilic substitution reaction. Due to only weak negative polarization of carbon of alkyl or aryl group in Grignard reagent, these reagents act as only weak nucleophile. They do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with simple alkyl halide. However, compound containing more reactive halogen undergo substitution reaction with Grignard reagent are given below. Reaction with more reactive alkyl halide. Formation of alkene. Grignard reagent react with the more reactive alkyl halides such as tert-butyl chloride to form higher alkene. Reaction with reactive unsaturated halide. Formation of alkene. CH3 plus allyl iodide gives CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2 1 butene plus MgI2. It may be pointed out that Grignard reagents do not react with unsaturated halide of low reactivity such as vinyl halide. Reaction with lower halogenated ether. Formation of higher ethers. CH3 CH2 MgI plus chloromethyl ether give methyl propyl ether plus MgICl. Reaction with iodine. Formation of alkyl iodide. Alkyl magnesium chloride or bromide react with iodine to form alkyl iodide. This reaction can be used for converting an alkyl chloride or bromide into corresponding iodide via the formation of Grignard reagent. Reaction with inorganic halide. Formation of other organometallic compound. For example, tetraethyl lead, diethyl cadmium, diethyl mercury, tetraethyl tin, tetramethyl silicon. Reaction with ethyl orthoformate. Formation of aldehyde. When treated with ethyl orthoformate, Grignard reagent form acetal, which on hydrolysis give aldehyde. Reaction with chloramine. Formation of primary amine. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Grignard reagent undergo nucleophilic addition reaction with compound containing multiple bonds such as carbon double bond O, carbon double bond sulfur, carbon triple bond with nitrogen and sulfur double bond with oxygen. The addition product thus form as easily hydrolyzed in acidic medium to furnish a large variety of product. In this reaction, the nucleophilic group of RMGX gets attached to the electropositive end of the multiple bond, while MGX group get bonded to the electronegative end. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Reaction with carbonyl compound. Formation of alcohol. Grignard reagent react with carbonyl compound such as aldehyde, ketone, ester, acid, chloride and anhydride to form addition product in which the alkyl or aryl group of Grignard reagent get bonded to carbonyl carbon while the remaining part of Grignard reagent get attached to oxygen. The addition complex thus formed is hydrolyzed by water in an acidic solution to form alcohol. Reaction with formaldehyde. Formation of primary alcohol. And reaction with aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Formation of secondary alcohol. Reaction with ketone. Formation of tertiary alcohol. It may be noted that in the above reaction, the number of carbon atom in alcohol is equal to sum of carbon atom in the Grignard reagent and aldehyde or ketone. Reaction with ester. Formation of secondary and tertiary alcohol. Reaction of Grignard reagent with ester of formic acid yield secondary alcohol, while with ester of other acid, tertiary alcohol are produced. The reaction takes place in two stages. An aldehyde or ketone is initially formed which react further with Grignard reagent to form alcohol. Reaction with sulfur. Formation of thioalcohols. Abnormal behavior of Grignard reagent. Reaction with ketone. In the reaction between Grignard reagent and ketone, branching of carbon chain at the alpha carbon of carbonyl group or presence of bulky group in the Grignard reagent sometimes prevent the normal addition reaction from taking place at all due to steric hindrance. In some other cases, a totally unexpected reaction may take place. For example, when isopropyl magnesium bromide is added to diisopropyl ketone, then expected tertiary alcohol is not formed. On the other hand, diisopropyl ketone undergo reduction to form diisopropyl carbinol. This unexpected reaction is attributed to the transfer of anhydride ion from Grignard reagent via a 6-member cyclic transition state, as in the case of Marvin-Pondorf-Verley reduction of ketones. Reaction with alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Grignard reagents do not react with simple alkene, but they react with alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compound to give protect both from initial 1 2 and 1 4 addition reaction. In other words, the overall addition may takes place at carbon oxygen double bond or carbon carbon double bond. For example, pent 3 in 2 on converted into 3 methyl hex 4 in 2 ol and methyl hexane 2 on. The ratio in which 1 2 and 1 4 addition protect are formed is often controlled by a steric factor. In general, increased substitution at the ethylenic bond favor 1 2 addition. On the other hand, presence of bulky group on the carbonyl carbon favor 1 4 addition. Synthetic utility of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents are rated as one of the most important reagents used in synthetic chemistry, as is apparent from the large variety of organic compounds which can be obtained with their help. The main classes of organic compound which can be prepared from them are summed up below. Number 1, hydrocarbon. Number 2, alkyl iodide. Number 3, alcohol, that is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Number 4, ethers. Number 5, aldehyde and ketone. Number 6, carboxylic acid. Number 7, primary amine. Number 8, ester. Number 9, thiol alcohols, sulfonic acid, diethynic acid. And number 10 is other organometallic compound. Limitation of Grignard reagent. In spite of their extreme utility in synthetic organic chemistry, Grignard reagents suffer from the following limitation. Grignard reagents are rather difficult to handle because they are highly sensitive to moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Alkyl or aryl halide used in the preparation of Grignard reagent must not contain active substituent groups such as OH, NH2, COH, CHO, C double bond O, C triple bond N, since they can themselves easily react with Grignard reagent. The compound with which Grignard reagents are to be reacted should also not contain any reactive group other than the one at which the reaction is desired, otherwise many undesirable side reaction may take place. In case of compound containing branching near the function group or Grignard reagent containing bulky group, the reaction sometimes does not take place due to steric hindrance. Nitro compound cannot be used in Grignard synthesis because they oxidize the Grignard reagent. Organolithium compounds. Organolithium compounds are the most important of organometallic compound derived from alkali metal. They may be represented by the general formula RLi, where R may be an alkyl or aryl group. Some of the more commonly used organolithium compounds are methyl lithium, ethyl lithium, N-butyl lithium, and phenyl lithium. The carbon lithium bond is covalent but strongly polar in character. Preparation of organolithium compound. Organolithium compound are usually prepared by following method. Number 1, by reaction between lithium and alkyl halide. Alkyl lithium are generally prepared by the reaction between alkyl halide and lithium metal at low temperature in dry hexane or benzene solvent and an inert atmosphere of nitrogen or argon. For example, CH3Br plus 2Li gives dry hexane 263 Kelvin temperature in presence of nitrogen gives CH3Li methyl lithium plus LiBr. N-butyl chloride plus 2Li in presence of dry hexane 263 Kelvin temperature in presence of nitrogen gives N-butyl lithium plus LiCl. Ether is not generally used as a solvent for the preparation of alkyl lithium due to the possibility of Wurtz reaction and other side reaction. Number 2, by metal exchange reaction. Alkyl lithium can be readily prepared by the action of lithium on the organometallic compound of a less reactive metal such as mercury. For example, diethyl mercury plus 2Li gives ethyl lithium plus Hg. By exchange reaction, aryl lithium are generally prepared by treating the aryl halide with an alkyl lithium. For example, bromobenzene plus N-butyl lithium gives N-phenyl lithium plus C4H9Br. Physical property. Due to strong polarization of carbon Li bond, carbon lithium bond and small size of lithium organolithium compound exist as dimer or higher aggregates of molecule. They are colorless, liquid or solid with low melting point. They are highly soluble in ether and hydrocarbon solvent. Chemical properties, synthetic application. Carbon lithium bond present in organolithium compound has greater ionic character than that of carbon magnesium bond in Grignard reagent. Therefore, the former are more reactive than Grignard reagent, although both resemble each other in most of their reaction. The important reaction of organolithium compound are given below. Reaction with substance containing active hydrogen, formation of hydrocarbon. For example, RLi plus H2O gives RH plus LiOH. Reaction with carbonyl compound, formation of alcohol. Like Grignard reagent, organolithium compound react with carbonyl compound to form primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Preparation of organozinc compound. Organozinc compound are generally prepared by following method. Number 1, from alkyl halide. On treatment with zinc filling, alkyl iodide form alkyl zinc iodide. These undergo disproportion on distillation in an atmosphere of carbon dioxide to yield dialkyl zinc compound. RLi plus zinc gives RZNI, and on distillation in presence of CO2 it gives dialkyl zinc plus iodine. Number 2, from organoaluminium compound, when treated with zinc chloride, organoaluminium compound give rise to organozinc compound. Physical property of organozinc compound. Organozinc compound are non-polar, low boiling liquid or low melting solid soluble in organic solvent. This is because they have linear geometry due to sp hybridization of zinc atom. The lower organozinc compound are highly inflammable. For this reason, they are generally prepared and used in an atmosphere of carbon dioxide. Chemical properties, synthetic application. As stated above, organozinc compound are milder reagent than organolithium compound and Grignard reagent. As such, the reaction takes place rather slowly. The main reaction of organozinc compound are given ahead. Reaction with water, formation of hydrocarbon. Reaction with alkyl halide, formation of hydrocarbon containing quaternary carbon atom. Organozinc compound react with tertiary alkyl halide, not with primary or secondary alkyl halide, to form hydrocarbon containing quaternary carbon atom. Reaction with acid chloride, formation of ketone. Reformat Sky reaction, formation of beta hydroxy ester. This reaction consists in treating an aldehyde or a ketone with an alpha bromoester and metallic zinc. In the presence of dry ether or benzene, an organozinc compound is first formed with which adds to the carbonyl group to give an addition product. This addition product thus formed is decomposed in the presence of dilute mineral acid to yield beta hydroxy esters. Iodomethylene zinc iodide. It is an organozinc compound which is mainly used in the formation of cyclopropane derivative from alkene. The reaction known as Simon-Smith reaction is carried out by treating alkene with methylene iodide and zinc copper coupled to get cyclopropane derivatives. So this is all about organometallic compounds. Thank you.